This 2023 Newmar Bay Star 3629 is a Class A RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. This new Newmar is 36 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Burma, Arctic B Maple Glaze interior, Sleep 7, Slideout, oven, LP detector, external shower, water heater, leveling jacks, CO detector, smoke detector, refrigerator, air conditioning, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, front entertainment, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2023 Newmar Bay Star 3629 is built on a Ford F53 chassis. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Ancira RV, visit RVUSA.com.